Hi, I'm Scabbers, or Joshua, whatever you want to call me, and this is my bike check.
Yeah.
I have blue ODI grips, Federal lacy bars, Odyssey mono lever with an A-bike cable, an Odyssey elementary stem, a Salt headset, then I have Wheeler People Scorpio bolts, then I have Kender tyres.
Lovely.
Exactly. An A-bike front wheel, then I have a proper TTL frame, then I have E-Tech paddles, United cranks, Mutiny sprocket, and a shadow chain. And then my brake calipers are exposure, and my back wheel is Wheeler People. No, it's not. What is it?
United Supreme.
United Supreme with a Kender tyre, shadow pegs, and Federal C and C post.
And a brake cable.
He said that, you idiot.
Goodbye, guys. Bye.